ideal. It's only meant to be 25-mile-an-hour winds max. Certainly higher than that. Oh my gosh. There's a point in some trips where the fun stops and it gets a little bit hairy, and that was that point. I'm not entirely sure the tarp's going to hold tonight. Once I've got my bivvy up and if I can get in there dry, all will be good. I am freezing, my extremities are so cold. I can't have a fire. It's not ideal. Let's get in. I'm not gonna lie. This is fucking miserable.